Hi everyone, I'm Soundarya. I have done my BE in the year of 2020. After completing my degree, I don't know how to start my career in IT industry. So, on the time, one of my friends suggested Qspider. So, I have joined Qspider for a software testing course. Now I got placed in a reputed company as a software engineer. My company name is Intellect Design Arna. My sincere thanks to Arvind sir because he was spent a time for a mock as well as presentation, which was really useful for me during the interview times. I would like to thank her sir and Hari sir, and my heartful thanks to HR team and counselors. So I happily suggest Qspider to anyone who wish to start their career in IT industry. Thank you for giving this opportunity.